Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Target account online. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Target account online, just open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in target.com like this and hit enter, and then you'll be directed to this page, which is the home page of Target itself. And on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the sign in button available over here. Click on sign in, and again sign in over here. Now after landing over here, to log into your Target account, enter your email address over here, enter your password over here like this. After that, click on sign in, then you'll be able to log into your Target account from over here. And then guys, this is how you log into your Target account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.